When I moved to Dubai, I noticed that Dubai is a competitive market and I needed to find out how things work here. Being a mom and being at home for a while, it was a little bit challenging. I knew I was passionate about the events management, so I started looking online. When I found DCT, it gave me a feeling of a boutique college, which I liked. And DCT is part of Dubai Tourism, which I think is a great selling point that other colleges don't have. We have a family restaurant back in Onda, Spain, where my mom is the head chef. Dubai has lots of restaurants, but I felt the need to bring the authentic taste of Spain, and that is how Kira was born. DCT gave me a solid foundation to start my business. In terms of authorization, license, the process of it, it was something that I didn't know how to do it in Dubai. Even though I studied events, I believe everything is connected, and I would like to use my skills in the future with Kero by organizing catering and events. It's definitely very satisfying when you open the doors. Making it a successful business and filling it up with happy customers, it's amazing. My name is Anisia, Pienaar, the founder and owner of Pienaar Restaurant.